In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grow a Ghastling into a Happy Ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To begin, you need a dried ghast and a water source. Place the dried ghast directly in water. After a short wait, it will transform into a Ghastling. This is the first stage of the process, and it happens automatically once the dried ghast is sitting in water correctly. After the Ghastling appears, the next part is making sure it stays in an active loaded area. This is very important because the Ghastling only continues growing while the area around it is loaded. If you move too far away or unload the chunk, the growth will pause until you return and the area becomes active again. For the smoothest results, keep the Ghastling nearby while you continue playing, or stay close to it until it finishes growing. The normal growth time is about 20 minutes. If you simply leave the Ghastling in a loaded area, it will eventually grow on its own. There is no extra action required during this time, other than making sure it remains loaded and undisturbed. If you want to speed things up, you can feed the Ghastling snowballs. Each snowball reduces the remaining growth time, so using several snowballs can make the process much faster. Stand close to the Ghastling and feed it until you are satisfied with the amount of time reduced. This is the best option if you want to reach the final stage without waiting the full 20 minutes. Once the growth timer finishes, the Ghastling will automatically turn into a Happy Ghast. You do not need to trigger the transformation manually. As long as the Ghastling has had enough time to grow, or you have shortened that time enough with snowballs, the final form will happen on its own. Wait for it to become a Ghastling. Keep that Ghastling in a loaded area. Let about 20 minutes pass, or speed up the growth by feeding it snowballs. After that, it will automatically become a Happy Ghast. That covers everything you need to know.